Hi guys, let's make this very soft, delicious and easy blueberry muffin using Ayoola rice flour. This is produced from finely milled white rice that is popular in the northern part of Nigeria. To my bowl, I added the rice flour, corn flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and I'm going to mix that thoroughly. After mixing, I'm going to make a well in the middle and I will be adding in my soft butter and then my buttermilk. Adding 2 eggs and then you're going to mix this. Ayoola rice flour is versatile and can be used to create a range of dishes from tuwon shinkafa, breads, pancakes, and even this delicious blueberry muffin. Now adding in the blueberries to our batter and let's proceed to bake this. And guys, did I mention that Ayoola rice flour is available in 0.9 kg and 1.8 kg pack sizes? So yeah, we are baking this for 25 minutes and this is what we have. Can you see this? This is super moist, very tasty, and this is so delicious. Thank you. Bye.